If this is your first time here, I'm the girl with the lighthouse tattoo, and I am going to rinse out this ridiculous dye job that I have done, and I'll show you how I do it. All these crazy colors can bleed if you're not careful, so yeah, thought I'd show you what I'm up to. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this if you think that it helped you in any way, or you're just entertained by my failure, because who knows what's going to happen. Take guesses. Do you think it's going to go brown when it all muddles together, or do you think it'll stay a rainbow? Write down in the comments, let me know. First of all, don't forget the most important thing: gloves. This is still dye, and it's not going to harm you because I'm using semi-permanent dye, so there's no peroxide. But I don't need to have a million color hands. I've already worn gloves the whole way through, and I've gotten away without too many stains, so let's just stick with that. Put on some gloves. I have punctured holes in my other few pairs because of these ridiculous nails I've got, so new gloves for the rinsing. Okay, most important, cold water. Cold water. Okay, so I still have a few in foils. These are the bits that I did last. The rest I did earlier, so I feel a little bit more comfortable in rinsing them out right away. This should probably be over there. Bring that over here. Okay. I'm a little stressed, but I'm very excited to see how this hair turns out. Okay, one piece at a time. I'm going to rinse this cold water over my head. All right, let's be honest, one strand at a time. We're not going to freeze ourselves immediately. So far, so good. Honestly, this water is so ice cold that I'm glad I have the gloves. I'm gonna warm up my hands for a minute because, ooh, that water is cold. It's time to give up on the glasses. Alright. Start at the bottom. I'm dripping on this side, and it just reminds me of Rudy Giuliani at his little meltdown. Well, the water rinsed and it hasn't mixed together yet, so that's a good sign. So far, so good. How many times have I said that so far? color is Joico, and apparently so is my conditioner. It's color safe conditioner that's also good for repairing damage. And everybody knows that in order to get bright colors, you gotta go super light, and that requires damage. Combing through conditioner is very important. So we're not seeing much color, we're not seeing bleeding. It's looking good. Just soaking up that conditioner. I'm going to go a little bit warmer this time, partially because my head hurts from all that cold, and partially because we didn't see any bleeding or anything with the conditioner, so I'm feeling pretty confident. But I'm not going to go warm, I'll say lukewarm. So you'll notice I didn't shampoo at all this time. I just went straight to conditioner because I had already shampooed my hair prior to putting the color on and put no conditioner. So it should be clean enough, and I just want to see how well it's going to go in terms of bleeding. So yeah, I'm just going to go and dry this out properly, style it, and then I'll hit you guys back in a few. What do you think, guys? How did it turn out? Hit me up in the comments section to let me know what you think. Do I look like a clown? Is it too much rainbow? Or is it just the right amount? Okay, I'm having way too much fun flinging my hair around. Thanks for hanging out and watching me rinse my hair off. Till next time, make sure you subscribe so you can watch more of my strangeness now that my hair is rainbow. I'll be posting a lot more. Bye. Oh, and if you want to check out how I did this craziness to my hair, make sure you click on that video.